In the power system, substations, transmission corridors, or manufacturing plants, routine equipment inspections performed by personnel face several limitations: time-consuming and labor-intensive, difficult to detect abnormalities in high or obstructed locations, potential risks due to hazardous working environments. The Unitek company provides solution 24/7 automated drone monitoring. The drone system operates fully automatically from patrol flights to data collection and processing without direct human intervention. The solution integrated a thermal camera and image detection system, enabling continuous equipment condition monitoring and early detection of anomalies such as overheating or partial discharge. Key features: 24/7 full-time monitoring. Drones perform scheduled flights or respond instantly to alerts triggered by sensor systems. Thermal camera integration and PD detection. Detect hotspots, monitor heat buildup, and provide visual PD alerts supporting proactive maintenance. Fully automated operation. Pre-programmed flight paths. Automatic takeoff landing with DJI dock. Auto recording and data transmission to the control center. Enterprise system integration. Easily integrates with existing IT infrastructure. Supports for 5G and Ethernet connectivity. High security. International standards compliance. Complies with SOC to Type 2 ISO 27001 and GDPR standards, ensuring data and image security. Cost reduction. Efficiency boost. Increases monitoring frequency, reduces manual inspection time, lowers operational risks, and cuts in planned maintenance costs. Real-world applications. Monitoring electrical stations, substations, and transmission corridors. Tracking equipment conditions in energy plants and heavy industries. Monitoring HVAC systems, electrical cabinets, large motors, inverters. Early detection of heat leaks, PD faults, and unsafe areas. Drone Automated 24/7 is a next-generation intelligent monitoring solution enabling businesses to proactively manage risks, optimize maintenance, and enhance system-wide safety and operational efficiency. Contact Unitek for consultation and quotation.